In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Office files in Dropbox via Office Online. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who wants to seamlessly integrate their Dropbox storage with Microsoft Office Online, allowing for easy editing and collaboration without needing to download files to your local device. First, let's start by signing into your Dropbox account on the web. Simply open a browser and head over to Dropbox.com. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your Dropbox homepage, where you can access all your stored files. Now, navigate to the specific file you want to edit. This could be a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or even a PowerPoint presentation. Look for those familiar file extensions, .docx for Word, XLSX for Excel, and .pptx for PowerPoint. Once you've found the file you want to tweak, hover your cursor over it. You'll see an option that says Open. Click on this and you'll be presented with choices to open the file with Word for the web, Excel for the web, or PowerPoint for the web, depending on the type of file you have. Dropbox conveniently integrates with Office Online, so you don't need to worry about installing any additional software. This feature allows you to edit your files directly in the browser. After selecting the appropriate Office web app, your file will open in the Office Online platform. From here, you can start making edits right away. One of the best things about using Office Online is that any changes you make are automatically saved back to Dropbox. This means you don't have to hit Save repeatedly. Your work is continually updated. It's a real game changer for those of us who might forget to save regularly. If your file is stored in a shared folder, perhaps within a team environment, the invited collaborators can explore a powerful feature: co-authoring. Office Online allows multiple users to open and edit the document simultaneously. Real-time updates mean you can see other people's changes as they happen, fostering a great team editing experience without any version conflicts. Once you've finished editing, there's no complicated procedure to follow. Simply close the browser tab you were working in or head back to your Dropbox account using the navigation options. Rest assured that the latest version of your edited file is safely stored in Dropbox. It also syncs automatically to all devices or users who have access to the shared file, ensuring everyone stays on the same page with the most updated version. And there you have it, a straightforward way to edit Office files stored in Dropbox using the Office Online suite. Whether for personal use or team projects, this integration significantly enhances productivity and collaboration. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!